What did I learn from 10 years of studying the digital culture, from talking to over 100 people, from developing an early kind of AI that I was able to deploy across 500,000 conversations and posts among 12,000 accounts? I spent days and days in deep dives across all kinds of Facebook groups and Reddit and Quorum. And what I began to hear about how people were being affected emotionally by life online is something I call persona fog. It's a certain kind of pain that is hard to see and hard to understand what's causing it. And so I want to kind of walk you through some of that real briefly to let you know that what you're experiencing, if any of these symptoms sound true to you, is your reaction, a natural reaction to the structure you're living in. It's not a flaw in you, it's how you're adapting, but I think you should know that this is what's happening. Let's begin with some of the costs of persona fog. The first cost is emotional flattening. It's a smaller range of emotions from which you can pull. And I think if you spend any time online, you can see how people can go from 0 to 100 immediately across this small range of emotions. This is part of what persona fog does to you. It's a cost. The second one is about the dread of decision making. Because you are so identified with this outside person that you've developed to please the crowd and less connected to your core self, the fact that you are going to seek any inner direction from that core self when it is fogged over and you can't see the contours of it means that you dread even having to make a decision in the first place. And then the third thing is a sense of chronic self-doubt. I mean, this isn't episodic self-doubt. This is a daily sip of self-doubt that is ambient in your life. And so you begin to wonder if you can affect any forward direction, build any vision for yourself. And these are all symptoms telling you that you might have persona fog. And so when I'm out talking to people about this, I typically get asked, well, what can we do about it? And I wish I had a set of hacks. I wish if I could post that online, it would probably be very sticky. But here's the truth of it. It's more profound than that. It's developmental, which means we have to grow out of it because we're reacting to a structure. This is not something innate in us. This is how we're adapting to a structure that's been built for us. And so now we need to recognize that this is what is happening. And that recognition and this video, it's the first step.